everyone, this is Burfi and today we are going to make the molecular geometry of the 6 common compounds, namely methane, ethylene, chloroform, propyne, and benzene, and lastly, naphthalene. Before we formally start, let me define first what is molecular geometry. Molecular geometry is a three-dimensional arrangement of atoms that constitute a molecule. So, this includes the bond lengths, bond angles, and other geometrical parameters that shows or determine the position of an atom. So, the materials that we're going to use is this. Ping-pong balls that represents the carbon, and this miniature balls, and this will represent the compound or the element hydrogen. This straw that will be used to bond the elements. Next is drill bit. I will use this to create holes on the balls. Stick glues and glue gun. And lastly, this barbecue stick to make the structure firm. So, let's start! see the 3D structures of the molecules that we made for 2 days. This is the structure of methane. Methane is a chemical compound with a chemical formula of CH4. It is an odorless, colorless, and highly flammable gas. It is a natural gas that is used to generate electricity and heat homes around the world. Methane is also known as the simplest alkane. It is sp3 hybridized. It has a bond angle of 109.5. It is tetrahedral in shape. It has equal bond lengths and no dipole moments. Therefore, this molecule is non-polar. This is the structure of ethylene. Ethylene is a hydrocarbon with a chemical formula of C2H4 or H2C double bonded with CH2. It is a colorless flammable gas with a faint, sweet, and musky odor when pure. This is also known as the simplest alkene, sp2 hybridized with a bond angle of 121.7 degrees, trigonal planar in shape, and a non-polar molecule. Chloroform or trichloromethane. It is a chemical compound with a chemical formula of CHCl3. A colorless, strong-smelling liquid or dense liquid that is used as a precursor for various refrigerants. It is one of the 4 chloromethane and a trihalomethane. It is sp3 hybridized, has a bond angle of 109.5 degrees, tetrahedral in shape, has dipole moment, and therefore this molecule is polar. This is propyne. Propyne is a chemical compound with a chemical formula CH3 triple bonded with CH. It is a component of MAPD gas along with its isomer propadiene that is used or commonly used in gas welding. It has a bond angle of 109.5 degrees. This CH3 is sp3 hybridized, but this 2 carbon which is triple bonded is sp hybridized. It has also 2 molecular geometry. This 2 carbon which is also triple bonded is linear in shape, but this carbon bonded to 3 hydrogen is tetrahedral in shape. This molecule has a very small dipole moment, but it highly contributes to its polarity. That dipole moment makes this molecule polar. This is benzene. Benzene is an organic compound with a chemical formula C6H6 with an alternating double and single bonds. It is a colorless light yellow liquid in a room temperature. This compound composed of 6 carbons arranged or joined in a planar ring with a 1 hydrogen atom attached to each carbon. It is a hydrocarbon with a trigonal planar molecular structure, sp2 hybridized, 120 degree bond angle, 1.39 angstrom bond length. Due to the very small electronegativity difference between the CH bond, this structure has a very small dipole moment. Therefore, this is polar. Some industries use benzene to make other chemicals that used to make plastics, resin, and nylon synthetic fibers. It's also used to make some types of lubricants, rubbers, detergents, drugs, and pesticides. This is naphthalene. Naphthalene is a white, volatile, polycyclic hydrocarbon with a mothball odor. It has a molecular structure of C10H8 and also known as the simplest polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon. Some CH bond has a bond length of 1.42 angstrom or 142 picometers long, and some have 1.37 angstrom or 137 picometers long. The bond angle of naphthalene is quite complex because of the alternating double and single bonds, and its bond length is not equal. So some have a 118 degrees and some CH bond has 120 degrees. But it is sp to hybridize trigonal planar just like benzene, and this molecule is also known as the two benzene ring fused together. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.